Introducing the new face of Chakson. Pioneering the quality since 1993, Chakson from the family of Anna Kitex Group. Today's evolving markets demand a visual identity that speaks directly to the modern consumer. So we developed a strategic rebranding. CR8 updated the typeface and introduced a contemporary style, refreshed the iconic blue for a lighter, more inviting look. By removing the underline and repositioning the star within the old, we stripped away the old to embrace a minimalist, modern aesthetic. Snehathin Pariyaayam transforms into the symbol of love. This new tagline not only broadens Chakson's global appeal, but deepens the emotional connection, embracing love as a universal language. The rebranded Chakson isn't just a new logo, it's a strategic renewal, securing a future that respects its rich heritage. With CR8, Chakson stands ready to meet tomorrow, retaining its place in the hearts of families worldwide.